Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Kabisyo, nagbabalik DJ Lala Banderas para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Kalma ay para sa mga social media stars na lumagapak o naalog ang tugatog ng kasikatan dahil sa kanilang matabil na bibig at maanghang na pananalita. Alam niyo love, bago pa man ang pandemya, madaming pangalan na ang sumikat dahil sa mga viral videos nila sa social media. Let's take for example the social media dancing hottie na si DJ Lunyo. Diba? Before the said interview that shook his stardom, DJ Lunyo was carving and still is carving his brand on social media with his moves. O diba? Walang timeline ang hindi mo makikitaan ng DJ Lunyo. Totoo, at walang mga babaeng hindi nag-like. Pero yun nga, when the social media star started voicing out his opinions sa matters or concerns na hindi siya fully knowledgeable about, the netizens were quick enough to catch up sa maling opinion, quote-unquote maling opinion ng social media star, and his career took its first blow from the public. This is quite a reminder to every influencer for that matter or celebrity na when it comes sa mga bagay na you are not fully known for, like I don't know, political issues, kalma lang. Play safe kumbaga, not because wala kang pakialam but because the reason behind that hot issue is not something na well-versed ka. Think before you speak and contemplate before you type. Address the issue on a more generic and positively propelling way. And tip ko na din siguro, not that I am a celeb or anything but tip lang sa lahat ng mga magpapa-interview. Know the scope of the interview first so that alam mo what you're getting yourself into. Tanungin mo sila kung ano yung scope ng tanong so that hindi ka mangangapa or di ka mabibigla na impromptu ka sasagot. Kasi kapag impromptu ang mga bagay-bagay, dun tayo nakakapagsalita ng hindi natin napag-iisipan. Okay? So next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Kalma. Love. True enough na sa mga pressing situations, it is hard to stay calm and collected. Hindi maiiwasan yung spur of the moment or heated conversations. Kumbaga, mahirap mag-control. So to address those issues, my love, maybe kailangan mong ma-fully gauge yung sarili mo. Pakiramdaman mo kung kailan kang malapit ng pumitik o masagad, and before it gets there, walk away and breathe. Mararamdaman mo naman kasi yun eh. Like take me for example. Hot-headed ako and my friends know that. But recently, dahil alam kong lahat tayo ay on the edge, o diba lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, I started practicing the art of distancing myself kapag nadadama ko na I'm close to snapping. This way kasi my love, aside from maiiwasan mong makapagsalita ng mga bagay na hindi mo na mababawi, it can also help para hindi ka ma-misinterpret. Kasi kadalasan kaya hindi nakikita ng tao na tama ka kasi nasasabi mo siya sa paraang mauuna nilang mapansin yung manner mo ng pagsasabi kesa sa laman ng sinasabi mo. Kaya love, kalma. We all know what snapping can do or the result na mga galit na hindi napipigilan. So kalma. If you let your anger take over you, guaranteed my love, maniwala ka sa akin, walang magandang resulta. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Kalma. Love, dumaan ka din ba sa moment ng buhay mo na na-frustrate ka sa sarili mo? Yung tipong napipikon ka kasi nagagawa ng iba pero ikaw hindi. Napipikon ka kasi yung iba nakakausad, ikaw hindi pa. Love, be patient with yourself. Maybe the reason as to why hindi mo nakukuha yung result na gusto mo kasi you are being too hard on yourself. You are overworking, you are overcompensating, or worse, you are expecting too much on yourself. Wag love, wag ganon. Yung ginagawa mo ang perfect formula for self-destruction and failure. Kalma. Know that certain things in life does take time and requires consistent grinding. Hindi instant result, ika nga. So kung umusad ka ng konti patungo sa goal mo, celebrate that improvement. Kasi no matter how big or small it may be, it is still progress. Okay? Don't be too hard on yourself, my love. You are doing great. Sa mga kabisyo natin, pwede pa rin tayo mag-usap tungkol sa ating biyahe ngayong gabi, ang hashtag Biyaheng Kalma over at my Facebook fanpage, DJ Lala Banderas. Kasama niyo pa rin po, DJ Lala Banderas, para sa aking programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one. SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.